Okay, guys, I am very happy that we had a very good trading activities yesterday. All the TPs, all the asset analyzed actually achieved the TPs. Okay, so that's amazing. Massive profit for the people within the Telegram channel. Okay, and I'm really happy for that. Okay, so yesterday I actually explained to us how you can use the trend trading strategy to milk the market. And this is the same strategy I have been using all this while, and it has really been working for us. And today I will go further to explain better how you can use this to kill the market, to milk the market successfully. Okay, so quickly. Before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. And of course, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, you can use the trend trading strategy to milk the market either when the market is on downtrend or on uptrend. Okay, like I have explained in my last video. Okay, once you get it right, you are most likely to make profits all the time. Okay, so like I said, I love using 5 minutes, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, and 1 hour time frame. Okay. If I'm going for a short trading opportunity, I consider 5 minute time frame. If I want to be in the middle, I stay at 15 or 30-minute time frame, but most especially 15-minute time frame. Okay. So you can use any of these to do your analysis and milk the market right from there. Okay. And of course, this particular trading tool, the custom made indicator, makes it very easy for me, so I don't need to be jungling between one time frame to another time frame in order to do my confirmation, okay, all the time. So once you get the time frame very well, once you get the trend very well, then you are good to go. For instance, this is the resistance zone. Okay, this was an uptrend before it got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there. So it switched. You can see the switching from an uptrend. This yellow color signifies uptrend. Okay, so the red color, which signifies downtrend. Okay, let's even say that you are not even sure if it will go back and break out above the resistance zone, but you have been given a downtrend right from here, and right here you got you've gotten a sell arrow right from there, which is the blue arrow. All you just need to do is just to place your order at this point and put your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, the stop loss is meant to prevent you from losing so much within the market. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. Okay, so now let's see, like I always tell you, no matter how juicy the strategy you are using is, okay, you cannot, it cannot be 100% perfect. Okay, because the market can always behave like the market whenever it feels like behaving like that. Okay, so that is why you should set your stop loss. Okay, so this has given us an idea where the market is most likely to go, gotten a good entry point, and of course you can set your stop loss at the resistance zone. Okay, and I'm on 15-minute time frame, so you can imagine this will give you each profit if it plays your, according to your analysis. Okay, and as you can see, it actually went as far as getting to this region. This is huge, guys. This is huge. So if you understand this very well, you can milk the market for a very long time. And this is 180 candles. That is for 6,168 points. That is huge. That is why I said you can make a lot of profits with this. Okay. Now let's see the proper way of using this strategy. Okay. So let's say this actually started right from here, got to this region. It has not gone too far. It went back up and came back down again. So far, it didn't get to your stop loss. You are good to go. Got to this region, and this came back up again, came back down. Okay, at this point, I expect you to readjust your stop loss. Just readjust it. probably 40% of the profit at this point. Okay, so it came down till it got to this region. So you can still readjust your stop loss and lock up more profit, this time around 50 to 60% of the profits. Okay, so that you will have about 40% left for the market to play around. This got to this region, came back down, and of course went back up again, came back down. At this point, lock up more, guys. Just lock up more. Okay, so even if it should go back up and get to your stop loss, even above your stop loss, it should just take you out of the market, and of course with the rest of the profit. It is as easy as that. So you can see how sweet this is. And if it did not get to your stop loss and it goes down till it gets to this region, at this point it has gotten to a major support zone. You can just close your trade and earn 100% of the profit that way. Okay, and if you don't want to close your trade, probably you want to see if it will break out below the support zone. I think you adjusting your stop loss to this region is not totally bad. Okay, so all it will just do is just for it to get to your stop loss. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, and of course, it will take you out of the market, and you still earn about 80% profit. Okay, and I think that is cool. The same thing is applicable to when the market is on uptrend. Right now, it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from the support region, which is this. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. Just the way we are seeing this, all you just need to do once you get your buy order, buy signal, okay, place your order and set your stop loss, okay, and you can see, wow. Okay, let me use this one for my order line. Okay, so I'm just going to replace this with the order line, okay. I mean other, okay, so the blue color is going to be the other line. Okay, so let's say this picked up from here and started going up. Okay, and of course this is in huge profit already because of the 15-minute time frame. So all you just need to do is just to adjust your stop loss and lock up 30 to 40% of the profits in this situation. Okay, so it went as high as this. At this point, lock up more profit for yourself. Okay, lock up more profit for yourself, probably 70 or 80% of the profit. Okay, so in case there is any spike, yeah, people will definitely tell me that, okay, this is Paynex and spike can happen, and spike does not respect stop loss. Yes, it does not respect stop loss, but technically does not respect stop loss, but indirectly it still respects it. This is what will happen if there is a spike. Okay, let's say I'm having my stop loss here and this spike actually happened. Okay, this is what it's going to do. Push my stop loss backward to the end of the spike. Okay, and close my trade. So you can see that. Okay, so that is beautiful. So it will just close my trade. So even if any other spike should happen and that would push the market below this or probably back to my line, okay, definitely I will be out of the market immediately the first spike finished. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. Okay, so that is why I will always advise you to use stop loss to trail your trading activities since you are trading the trend. Okay, so if this should go up more, just the way it did, adjust your stop loss again to lock up more profit. So if anything should happen, then definitely it will take you out of the market with the rest of the profit. So that is how beautiful it is. This is Paynex 1200, and of course this is live charts. Okay, now let me show you Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999, still the same strategy. You can see it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and check it out, it went as high as this. Okay, still on 15 minutes time frame. You can see how beautiful it is. Now let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 actually got to this resistance zone at this point. Okay, and of course it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and this is what happened. We got a sell order at this point, so you can put your stop loss right there and check it out. This has actually given us a lot of profit, guys. It has given us a lot of profit. That is how beautiful it is. So anyone can actually do this. All you just need to do is just to understand the art of trend trading strategy. Okay, so once you are able to get this right, then you will definitely be able to milk the market just the way I have explained in this video. You can do this without the custom made indicator. Okay, if you know how to identify when the trend is switching, then definitely you can also milk the market with it. But if you want it to be very easy for you, you can make use of custom made indicator that can help you to identify when the trend is switching. And if you don't have anyone, here is a custom made indicator which you can get. You can reach out to me via WhatsApp, and of course, I will let you know how you can get it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Or probably you have a personal request, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.